It's very much about getting to know our patients. It's quite a small practice. We've only got the 2 surgeries, so we like to provide a very professional but personal service for our patients. We're really keen, especially with new patients, that when they come in they are made to feel straight away at ease. So the first thing we do is we have the consult room where I'm sat today. So you'll come into the consult room, have your medical history form to fill out. We'll have that information for you before you come in. And your clinician, your Dr. Gogner or the associate Dr. Mack will come in with you to the consult room and discuss your medical history and your form, go through any concerns or worries. And that's before you even go anywhere near the treatment room. So if you're a nervous patient, you can sit down and have that conversation in an environment that's relaxed but professional, and you can then have a confidential conversation with them before you then go in and have a treatment done. What I kind of like to say for new patients who are thinking about contacting us is, no question is silly. If you can think of it, somebody else has already thought of it. So Vanessa from front of house is more than happy to answer all of your questions. You can book an appointment to come and see us, or just come in and have a chat. This is what I need, this is what I want, this is my anxieties. Can you cater for that? And we'll take it from there. We always ask our patients how they'd like to be contacted, because we recognise that so many of them are in a professional position within the city. So that's one of the ways we tailor how we contact patients, is we contact them how they would like to be contacted. Or if they've had a recall and they email us and say, I'm abroad for the next 3 months, can you contact me at the end of the 3 months? Then that gets noted, and in 3 months' time we'll email them and say, are you back in the country? Are you free to talk? Would you like to sort that appointment out now? Every practice does recalls, every practice does recall letters, but we know our patients well enough to personalise each letter that we send out. So it's dear first name basis if that's allowed, if the patient's comfortable with that. You have a little chat about whatever they've been up to, and then gently remind them that their appointment's due. Or if the relationship is that friendly, then I'll just give them a call and say, it's Trudie here, just needed to get your appointment in. So that's, I think, is what sets us apart, is that we actually know our patients and we take the time to get to know them. We've got a whole team that we use in Harley Street as well, so if we need to send somebody for a surgical extraction that's above and beyond, we have a specialist that we use for that. So we want that high-end medical provision, but on a very personal service, so that the person ends up feeling that they know us well, they trust us, they get good quality for money, but they get the best quality and best treatment that they can.